In English, word order tells you who does what. Rearrange the words and the meaning shifts. Latin works differently. The ending of each noun marks its role, no matter where it stands. Listen.
Domina fīlia mamat.
The lady loves her daughter. This lesson teaches you how those endings work. 14 new words for this lesson. First, 7 nouns, all ending in the letter A.
Domina,
Lady or mistress.
fīlia,
Daughter.
puella,
Girl.
agricola,
Farmer.
nauta,
Sailor.
silva,
Forest.
fuga,
Flight. 7 more.
terra,
Earth or land.
aqua,
Water.
causa,
Cause or reason.
lūna,
Moon.
fortuna,
Fortune.
iniuria,
Wrong or injury. And one verb.
amat,
He, she, or it loves. In English, the lady loves her daughter and her daughter loves the lady have opposite meanings. Word order decides. In Latin, word order does not decide. Endings do. These 4 sentences all mean the lady loves her daughter.
domina fīlia mamat, filiam domina amat, amat filiam domina amat filiam.
4 word orders, 1 meaning. The word ending in A is the subject. The word ending in am is the direct object. The endings are decisive. Now reverse the endings and the meaning reverses. These 4 sentences mean the daughter loves the lady.
Filia dominam amat, dominam filia amat, amat dominam filia, filia amat dominam.
The word ending in A is now the daughter, the subject. The word ending in am is now the lady, the direct object. Swap the endings, reverse the meaning. This is the power of Latin declension. This system of changing endings is called declension. Each ending creates a different case. English shows the same idea with who, whose, whom, 3 forms of one pronoun. Latin nouns show these same 3 distinctions with case endings. The nominative marks the subject.
Domina,
The lady as subject. The genitive marks the possessor.
domine,
Of the lady, the accusative marks the direct object.
dominam.
The lady as direct object. Here is the complete first declension paradigm, singular and plural. Singular, nominative.
Domina,
Genitive,
domine,
accusative.
dominam,
Plural, nominative.
domine,
Genitive,
dominarum,
accusative.
dominas.
Key point. The genitive singular and nominative plural look identical. Only the rest of the sentence reveals which one is meant. The accusative is always distinct, am in singular, s in plural. Memorize this pattern. Every first declension noun follows it. Apply these cases to full sentences.
Domina filiam amat.
The first word ends in a, nominative, the subject. It means the lady. The second word ends in am, accusative, the direct object. It means her daughter. The verb means loves. The lady loves her daughter.
Filia dominam amat.
Now the daughter is the subject, ending in a, nominative. The lady is the object, ending in am, accusative. The daughter loves the lady. Same words, switched endings, reversed meaning. Time to practice. For each form on screen, give the meaning, case, and number.
Silva.
Forest, nominative singular, the subject.
Silvas.
Forests, accusative plural, the direct object.
Silvam.
Forest, accusative singular, the direct object.
Terrarum.
Of the lands, genitive plural, the possessor.
Terre.
2 possible answers, genitive singular, of the land, or nominative plural, the lands. Both are correct.
Terras.
Lands, accusative plural, the direct object. Next set. All 3 of these forms share one ending.
Filie.
Genitive singular, of the daughter, or nominative plural, the daughters.
Fortune.
Same ambiguity. Of the fortune or fortunes.
lūne,
Of the moon or moons. Always consider both possibilities with this ending. Final set.
nautam,
Sailor, accusative singular, direct object.
agricolas,
Farmers, accusative plural.
nautas,
Sailors, accusative plural. First-declension nouns change their endings to show their role. The nominative marks the subject. The genitive marks the possessor. The accusative marks the direct object. Word order in Latin is flexible because the endings carry the meaning. You learned 14 words and 1 complete declension pattern today. The next lesson expands this system. To practice what you just learned, this course has free exercises and AI-graded feedback on ludium.ai. The link is in the description.